Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create an iPhone sort of mockup on Canva. So select create a design. I'm just going to choose this Instagram store like canvas, but you can choose like any format. I meant format that you want. Then you're going to go to elements and you are actually going to search for frame. And you are going to scroll until you find this iPhone 1. Just drag it to the page. I'm just going to make the phone bigger. Oh, it's quite, it's really lagging, sorry. Something like that. And then I'm just going to search for background. It's already here. And I'm just going to select it, and then I can drag it inside of the iPhone. You can insert any image you'd like. Then once you're done, you're just going to save it. It is super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!